This is how to load your line on a Craftsman V20 weed whacker with the Quickwind spool, they call it. Okay, very easy. Okay, you see there's a white line right here. Okay. Also, it's kind of hard to see, but there's another white line right here at this hole here. I think they got them on both. Yeah, they're on both sides. So basically you line that up, those either side, with, they call it a D. Okay, it's got it right here. It's got a white line too. This is the D they're talking about, just a little cutout in the top of it right here. Okay, and here's your white line. So you would line this up with this, the two white lines, put them together. Okay, easy to do when you're out of line, of course. And then you're going to cut off about 20 feet of 080.080 line. Pretty easy to get just about anywhere, any hardware store, or definitely at Lowe's. And then you're going to pull these, you're going to make it even on both sides. You're just going to stretch it out, grab both pieces like that, and stretch it all the way out. You know, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go counterclockwise with it. You're just going to grab this top piece right here, and you're going to spin this counterclockwise. See how mine's spun a little bit, and this is getting a little bit shorter. Okay, nothing to it. And you spin that, and then you're going to leave about, maybe 6 inches out like this. Something like that, or you can stretch it out a little bit further, just cut it off. And then if you ever do need to remove this spool right here, there's a kind of a button right here. It's real easy to do. Just right here. There's one right here. You just push both of those. I don't want to do it right now, but push both of those and this piece will come right off. So that's pretty much it. Nothing to it. There's your hole for your rod. You can see it right there. That's just so you can spin this on. Stick your rod in there and you can tighten this on again. Don't crank down on it too tightly, because you may want to take it off someday. But that's pretty much it. Nothing to it. I hope that helped you out.